Menteri Ketenat Boarding James K. Sangma ukermen baka komiti ya kabala thong na kabenta ban tokit halor ki kinrum kinram hai MECL kan lakno ban pendep ya kajing tokit shen. James K. Sangma ulongi kani ha bakran bikla pathai khobor ha kalai pho tarik mentau banai. Ulai thuru baka sarkar jala kala deban seo ya ki katu ka ni kiram ki basa shaki company permi boarding badia kiram ki badang sa apat on sa pendep no shen masen yo biang ya kalon.
I'm not aware of what is the status of the inquiry committee, but all I can say is that we are, hopeful that the committee will complete its inquiry and the entire process that there is to it. It takes time. There are many formalities that need to be completed and a lot of paperwork to be done. So I think that maybe it's taking a little bit of time because of all the formalities that need to be completed. But I hope that the committee can, complete this process at the earliest.
So just last one query from my side. If you can give us an update on the pending dues which we have to pay, sir, because recently I think a company had once again issued a notice to the state government. Sir. So if you can tell us how much is pending and when are we likely to clear all the dues? Sir?
See, I'll tell you, the Atmanirbhar loan has been cleared by the government in terms of the state guarantee which it was supposed to give. So those formalities have been completed. These are dues which are pre-March 2020 and post-March 2020, MECL has not kept any dues. Whatever the current bills are generated, those are cleared off there and then itself. So these are dues which are pre-March 2020. And because of the fact that Government of Meghalaya has availed this 1345 Atmanirbhar loan, for which the second tranche was awaited and the necessary paperwork and formalities have been completed for that. These will be disbursed very soon to the central power generating stations. And there has been a slight amount of delay because, of course, we all have to understand that there's a due process, a lot of paperwork is involved, and so all those formalities have been completed, and I'm sure that the power generating stations like NEEPCO or NTPC or PGCIL for that matter, transmission company, they will keep that into consideration.